this is the very first year that FAA has allowed pilots as young as 14 to get a pilot license. We're trying to get students prepared so that if they want to be a drone pilot, they want to fly a UAV, and they want to do it legally with a drone pilot license, then they can go to the FAA and get a license. What we do in class is we learn different parts about the Part 107 test. We just finished a section on GPS, global positioning satellites. They're also making their skills better and better with their flying. So when we first started flying, it was pretty scattered. But now they've got pretty good control of their drones, and so we're adding some harder and harder tasks, like landing on an elevated surface. So that's not on the floor. That's not an easy thing to do. Also, we have them flying through hoops so that they can get control of their drone in 3 axis, so that they're not hitting the top, the bottom, or the sides of the hoops as they go through. Drone flying, you need to be pretty accurate with it. What we're trying to do is get them off on the right foot, give them the right skills, give them the right knowledge, and then as a senior they can step out and take their Part 107 test when they feel like they can pass it. The students, as far as I can tell, like it, and they're doing well.
Aerospace is a general word. It depends on what you want to do in aerospace. So right now I'm actually taking 2 classes. I'm taking the drones and aircraft maintenance. Oh, it's gonna benefit me a lot because before I didn't know anything about my GPS coordinates. I never knew how to actually fly a drone. If you wanna, basically, if your airplanes or airports your thing, I would recommend it. But if you're really not the type of person that likes to be around noisy things or like to get dirty, it's probably start looking for something else. I like this class because it actually teaches me everything I need. So I need to know how to fly, my GPS coordinates, everything. You get both sides, so you study and you play for a while. Mr. Guilford, he's real cool. He's a nice guy. I recommend everyone to get to know him because he may look mean, but once you get to know him and you do what you're told, class will go by real fast.
This class seems very amazing. If you're interested, go talk to your counselor. I'm Blanca Ramos reporting for Jaguar News.